Another unboxing again from Warren James shop. Ayan. Yan yung face ng waybill and at the back of the waybill. So, wow, totally sealed. That is tad talaga ng stapler. Grabe. Hirap buksan. So, yan. I have also again with this one, Lucky Coin red string bracelet. Again, thank you letter. And ito yung aking clover earrings na in-order sa kanya. Clover earring studs. Yan siya. Cute. And then, gold pakaw yung kanyang pakaw.